let's have a look at grouping and ungrouping sheets in Excel. Now, how is this useful? If you have a number of sheets here, you can group them to make changes across all of the sheets together. So let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all blank sheets here. Now, what we do is hold onto the first sheet that you want to change and hold the shift button all the way up to the final one. As you can see, you have some little highlights that have made it here. Now let's just do this and write testing out grouping. Now what this will do is to move it across all of the sheets all at once. And if we click onto sheet 2, you have that, sheet 3, sheet 4 and sheet 5. So this is very useful when you have things like formulas or you want to change things across any of the sheets. Now let's say that we want to change a spelling or we want to replace something. So what we could do is just press Ctrl H, and as we have everything grouped, we can do, instead of testing, we can just write, let's swap that over from testing to, let's say, tested. Okay, now if we replace everything, that replaces all 5 in all of the sheets. So it's a very useful function when you need to make simultaneous changes that are across all of the sheets. Make sure to ungroup them, because if you don't, then this will continue to make changes across all of your sheets. So ungroup the sheets right here. Now we can hide a number of sheets, so let's go and hide sheet number 1. So here we go, right click, press hide, and that simply hides the sheet. Now what happens when you want to bring the sheet back? Once again, you can just right click and you can find all your sheets here, select all sheets or unhide. So we go here, click onto one, and we can just unhide the sheet right here. A feature to have a look at all of your sheets is you go across to the arrow here, you right click, and you can see all of your sheets right here that are active as well. And you can scroll through the sheets if you want to that way. To make any number of changes to the sheet, you just simply right click on the sheet. You can change the tab color. So let's change this to red as an example. And when you click to the other sheets, you can see that number 1 is more prominent than the others.